everybody, I'm in the desert. I found this spot very under the rock. I can live here for a while because it's like my house, rock. Today's recipe is salad bread, salad bang. I used to make this for my children. Very easy and fast and simple recipe. We can cook anywhere, especially cooking outdoor is more delicious and fun. First thing I'm going to do is cooking my potato. So around 8 ounce slice, around a ½ inch. And add 1 cup water, 2 pinches of salt, medium heat. Cook about 12 minutes. So also use vegetables. How much for this amount? And just use a cup. Just my measuring cup, 1 cup. And I'm going to put this all my vegetables here. So first, cucumber. Onion, so around 2 tablespoons, this amount. Carrot, sliced more thinly. I can already smell potato. But I like to add some cucumber a little more because the cucumber make it very crispy. Vegetable mountain. And salt. 2 pinches. And mix. Let it sit for around 5 minutes. And I bought this from the bakery. Usually I make at home. So kind of not pretty, but smells good, delicious smell. And bread is very fluffy. So meanwhile, my potato is done. Drain this well and put it this. You don't need the potato masher because it's very small amount. With your large spoon, easily you can smash. And then I will just add egg. Egg also smash together. I use 2 hard-boiled eggs. Crush this with a big spoon. Okay, this is a ham, cooked ham, and I will use it just a little bit. This is optional. If you guys are not big fan of ham, just skip it. This amount, maybe around ½ cup. We need to squeeze out excess water. Wow, a lot. What we have to do is just adding some mayonnaise and the ground black pepper. Ground black pepper, about half teaspoon, and then mayonnaise. This is my half cup measuring cup. That's a half cup mayonnaise. Nice. Isn't it pretty colorful? I think this is about 2.5 cup. Now, this bread can cut in half. Here you go. Salad bun is here. Salad bread. This is a really nice snack, but I'm eating for my brunch with coffee. It's so windy here. Yum, yum, yum. I always tell you, delicious life. That's true, because it makes my life very happy. I'm sure that you guys also feel the same way. Today, we made salad bread, salad bun. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.